Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter on AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Monday, November the 14th, I've got 6 press releases for you. Quarterly results, resource news, China, it's all here. Let's get straight to it. First up, Afferro Mining trades in the venture under AFF for our friends in London on the AIM under AFF as well. Announced their overall resources increased by 41% to 2 billion tons. This is their third 43101 compliant mineral resource estimate for 2011. This is on the NYSE project in Cameroon. It looks like the total resource increased at 2 billion tons at 32.2%. Iron, 70% tonnage increase and high-grade potential direct shipping ore. That's important. 18.5 million tons. Louis Da Silva, chief executive, had a quote. We've got an excerpt here. Says this resource increase demonstrates the speed of the project development, having commenced drilling just 15 months ago. I'm pretty impressed by that, I got to tell you. He went on to say, together with the infrastructure scoping study, which we expect to release shortly, this goes further to demonstrating the economic viability of the NYSE iron ore project. Pretty impressive numbers here. Now, here's what I particularly like, or you got to be careful of. They close on Friday at 73 cents. Their 52-week low is 70, and their 52-week high is 247. So make sure there aren't any skeletons in the closet. Otherwise, it's sitting at the bottom of the 52-week trading range. Might be an opportunity to get in at a great time. Pyramid Oil Company, Amex, PDO, put out their third quarter and 9-month financial results. As always, I'm going to give you the 9-month numbers for September 30th, 2011. Total revenue up 18% to 4.3 mil. Operating income $726,000 compared to $145,000. That's about 500%. Net income up 175% to $751,000 or 16 cents per share. And I like this part. Cash flow from operations, $2 million. It's important for small cap companies to be generating cash flow. They're up 38%. Close on Friday, 397, 940 on the high, 329 on the low. Market cap of just $18.5 million. So go take a look at that company. China Modern Agricultural Info trades on the QB in the U.S. under CMCI. They're announcing their net income increased 70.7%. And they're reporting 7 cents per share for the first quarter. This is a high-tech livestock company specializing in the breeding of cows and calves, the production and sale of milk, and the sale of organic fertilizer. Here are the highlights. Revenue, $5 million, up 16%. Gross profit, $3.4 mil, up 57.5%. The net income number is $2.6 million. As you know, that's up 70.7%. Basic and diluted earnings per share, 7 cents. That's up 40% over last year. Now the company closed at 27 cents on Friday, and they recorded in one quarter 7 cents in earnings. So if you extrapolate this out over a year, they might be trading at 1 times earnings right now if they can just match this this number of 7 cents per share for the quarter. Here's what's even more outstanding: $9.8 million in cash. And the company has $11 million market cap. They also have $34 million in assets, and they have an $11 million market cap. They close at 27 cents, $2 on the high, 20 cents on the 52-week low. This may be the opportunity of a lifetime. You've got to make sure they don't have any skeletons in their closet, but this may be a case of a Chinese company just being thrown out with the bathwater. Have a look. I love that report. Payment Data Systems, PYDS on the OTC. They're saying record earnings are in for the third quarter 2011. Revenue grew 87% to $1.437 million. Operating income, was $209,000 compared to a loss of $134,000. Net income $262,000. That's up from a loss of $142,000. So they've done amazing things on the top line and bottom line. I love this growth. Gross profit was up 208% sequentially. So it looks like this was a massive quarter for the company right here. I'm not sure. You got to take a look, make sure they didn't do a lot of revenue stuffing or they got all into one quarter. But this seems like it was a massive quarter, has made their year. Cash and cash equivalents grew to $1.9 million in change. That's up from $318,000 last quarter. So again, something significant has happened here. Go take a look. Total transaction dollar volume increased to over $60 million, as you can tell. This is a payment solutions company. Over 1.2 million transactions were processed in the third quarter, up 336% on the transaction side. Closed Friday, 10 cents, 52 high, 13 low, 2.1 cents. In fact, actually, it's even lower than that. I think it's 0.2 of a penny. So they've had some monster move here. They've got some great numbers. Do your own due diligence on its face, looking great. LiqTech International, OTC, LIQT put up their third quarter numbers where they say sales grew by 62%, net income grew by just under 500%. They also put up their 9-month numbers. I'm going to give those to you. Sales, 13.5 mil, up 8.8%. Gross profit, 3.3 million, up 8.1%. Net income, $378,000, up 44%. This is an award-winning quarter of the company. They're an award-winning clean tech company that for more than a decade has developed and provided state-of-the-art technologies for gas and liquid purification. Closed on Friday, 340. Look at this, really tight trading range over the whole 52 weeks. 350 on the high, 311 on the low. Market cap, $73 million, so they got a healthy market cap there. But I like business like that because they can scale fast. And finally, New Pacific Metals, TSX Venture, NYSE, says that recent drilling confirms gold mineralization supporting potential bulk mining widths. This from their Godell gold deposit at their gold project in the Yukon. Most prominent results, according to the company, 36.7 meters, 4.2 grams ton of gold, and 24.67 meters, 4.33 grams ton of gold. They're calling themselves a Canadian near-term gold and silver production mining company. If they are a near-term gold and silver gold and silver producing company, then you got to go take a closer look. I think that's worth it. The company's only project is this Tagish Lake gold property in Yukon territory, so you have a little bit of project risk. They did close at 118, 250 on the high, 98 cents on their 52-week low. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. If you watch this on Global Investor, look below me to the left of me, depending on the page you're on, to see other resource companies we've covered over the past few days. Otherwise, if you're not already there, get to the front page of AGORACOM. Watch the show, take a look at the best headlines to my right, and get into our marketplace to discover your next great small cap stock. Have a great day.